for those who thinking I'm doing this, it's my new hairstyle and it looks something like a baby. Okay, fine. I'll leave this. Hey guys, Hey guys, welcome crazy with Time to See, and this time it's an all new video on Time to Sneeze. Basically, I have been like unwell from a long time and I sneeze a lot, and when I sneeze very differently. And this video is like totally a tribute to myself and also many people I observe in school, actually in my class, and also my cameraman. She's right there. Sorry for feeling bad. But she sneezes like a total innovative way, you know. Sometimes she's like achoo and the other is like achoo. And sometimes she's like and you don't even notice the sound, and sometimes like chew, and you have this, you know, something like a cooker ki seeti will say like that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So guys, if you relate to anything in this video, the way you have find people sneezing and the way you sneeze, so please do tell me in the comment section. And first of all, to all my 71 subbies and all the viewers for my last video, I really love you guys, and keep watching me crazy with MC, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment below. And all my subscribers, I love you a lot guys, and watch my new video. Bye guys. Days in the newspaper. Excuse me.
Wait, guys, did you just hear that sound? Is there some kind of like bomb blast near this place?
Excuse me. I just sneezed. I'm sorry.
Oh my god, I think you should take a tissue paper. What happened?
Nothing much. I sneezed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
I think I'm good.
Bless you. Excuse me, it was my face.
I'm sorry. Let me clean it. Come here. I'm sorry.
Just go away.